If you're looking for the best pre-sale on Pinksale, then you need to watch this video. What I'm going to be doing today is explaining the process of how you can maximize your potential on one, becoming trending on pre-sale, but also having a successful pre-sale launch. Before I start, please note I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Please do your own due diligence and make your own decisions in Pinksale and also with your own coins. Right, now, firstly, the reason why having a successful Pinksale pre-sale is because Pinksale is the leading market for digital coins. Okay, so as you can see here, the total projects is 21,210. They've got a total participants of 2.4 million, and they have a total liquidity raised of over $437 million. Now, it doesn't take a rocket science to realize if you can trend on here, which is one of these top ones up here, and is easily clickable from the homepage, then you're more than likely going to have a successful pre-sale. Okay, so the main points that I can give to you, which we will go over how to do the trending. There is also a video in this channel which will be linked in the description of how to become trending. However, the very first things you should do is set realistic goals. Okay, you don't want to be that coin that has a really low sale, like really low amount of coins that you're selling, but also a very high soft cap, because a whale will just come in and wipe all that out. You want to be able to appeal to the public. You want to be able to get into the public and make them understand that you're not there for the money. So I know that's one, would be set realistic goals, but you also want a good project. Now that sounds silly, but you don't want a project that doesn't appeal to anyone. You want to be able to appeal to the customer, which will be the likes of myself and yourself as well as a viewer and a investor. Now, what I think the main one would be is to come up to this trending. Okay, so if I load up this Pinksale trending document that I did a massive video on as well. However, we'll run through this quickly. So like it said here, some of the trending metrics are listed below. Buy volume. The more buy volume on your pre-sale pool, the higher you will trend. So this goes back to my point of having as many people as possible can buy your coin. Okay, so they also need the KYC and audit badge. KYC and audit badges will get higher priority over projects without these badges. Now, if I were to click on the number one trending coin at the moment, I will more than guarantee that it will have those badges. And there it is, the SAFU, audit, and KYC. Now, if we scroll down, we'll just explain what this means. Okay, so KYC is know your customer. It's a process whereby the project owner has shared their identification documents with Pinksale. So this gives an element of trust towards you if you are doing these coins. Okay, so the audit, this details that the smart contract has been tested and analyzed by a third-party service. So in my opinion, that this gives a little bit more trust towards you because someone else has looked through your contract and knows that there's no hidden elements in there. There's nothing that will catch out the viewer. And a SAFU badge. So SAFU badge demonstrates that the contract has been created by a Pinksale verified partner. Now, obviously, being a verified partner, you are more than likely to get trending on there. And because you are a verified partner, you would then give the customer the element of trust again, because at the end of the day, for a successful pre-sale, the customer needs to be able to trust the people. But there's so many crypto scams out there that a lot of people are on the back foot already. So if you've got all of these badges and you can show that you've proven to Pinksale and the third-party people that you are a trusted owner of the coin. So it says here, if you want to better your chances at trending, combine the above metrics, but please note the above will not guarantee you a trending position. So this goes back on my other points, that you need to have realistic goals. You need to have a good project, which sounds silly, but there are plenty of projects out there that just don't make sense. And you need to be able to meet the trending metrics, which is, just to recap, the more buy volume, the KYC and audit, SAFU badge, and the docs. Now, the number one tip that I can give you is link your coin to one of the two top chains out there. So you're either going to use the BTC Bitcoin chain or the ETH Ethereum chain. Now, this is because they are the two biggest crypto coins out there, which no one can deny. Now, if you're linked to these smart chains, you will give yourself the best outcome for your pre-sale. Now, I hope that this video has helped you, and I hope that you've got a little bit of value from this video. Once again, please do your own due diligence when investing and also creating your coins. Think about everything I've said in this video and let me know your thoughts in the comments. But make sure to hit that subscribe button, click that bell, so make sure you get notified of the next video that I'm doing. Also, smash that like button for me. But for now, peace.